It's another rainy day here in Houston. So we're just chilling in the Airstream until we go to our meetup tonight at the Axelrad, I think that's how you say it, beer garden. Kind of excited about that. But in the meantime, we've been here, or going to be here, a whole week, which is longer than we've been in most places. So we've been sending ourselves packages, a lot of them, because we finally had some place to send them. So we have some cool stuff to show you. This is actually from a company that reached out to me, EcoRoots, and they knew we liked our reusable bags, stuff like that, and they asked if we would like to try their reusable cotton produce bags and bulk bags. 100% cotton, and this way we stop using all those little plastic bags for our cilantro and every time we go to the grocery store. So they sent these along to us to give a try. Haven't opened them yet. Let's open them up. I know it comes with 9 bags, all different sizes. Let's go over here. Put them down. And what's really cool is, look at this. It actually comes with the tear weight of the bag with this little stainless steel washer, so that if you're doing bulk goods that have to be weighed, they can subtract out the tear weight, so you're not getting charged for the bag. But look at these. These are gonna be so perfect for limes and cilantro and green onions and regular onions and everything else that we buy so much produce. And Steve knows half the time we don't put anything in the little plastic bags at the produce department because I feel like it's such a waste, they're just gonna get thrown away. And so we will seriously have like 12 limes, 8 peppers, and 6 avocados, and I'll be rolling around on the conveyor belt, and the poor woman has to like pick them up. And this is gonna be so nice. So we have all of these. They feel good, don't they?
Yeah, they do.
And then we actually have some more, like if we wanted to get something like quinoa or one of the bulk items from nuts, something like that, something you don't want to use in the mesh. We even got some of those too, 3 of those bags. I'm super excited. It's kind of sad that I get this excited about shopping bags.
Actually, it is kind of sad, but it's good.
It's good.
But it's good.
Steve got something in the mail too. This one he ordered himself after someone on Facebook sent us a message saying, this is on sale for like the next 24 hours, so thank you. He got one, so let me show you that, because he's very excited about his too.
I don't use tripods very much, but
except for Tuesday Talks.
But when I do, I like them red. This is incredibly light. This got from B&H Photo. It was on sale for $100 or something. Regular price $250, but look at how small it is. It's incredibly light. Legs flip up like this. Each leg unscrews and extends like this. I won't do that because it's just going to get all unwieldy. But what I really like about this is this ball head. Typically on tripods you have to loosen each axis and turn it separately, but ball heads allow you to move the head freely in all directions like this. So the tripod can be off center like that, and all you got to do is move the ball head so it's level. It's really easy, very quick, and I haven't actually used this in the field yet.
You did some videos, just you didn't take it hiking or anything.
Yeah, but it's super easy, super lightweight, and I like this so far, so appreciate the heads up that this thing was on sale. We like sales because we're frugal people. Okay, that's it. Those are our fun goodies. Yes. So we're just gonna sit and do a little more chilling, and then head out in this rain and hope that there's some space in the brewery to meet up with some good folk. I haven't seen the sun in about 4 days, 5 days. I feel like I'm in Seattle, but it's Texas. I don't know if you were aware of this or not, but it's been a wet month. It's been a wet month in Texas, and I know I've been complaining a lot about it almost every day because it's been raining every day. I just got 15 minutes ago, right before we were gonna leave to our meetup, I got a little inspiration. I took my camera out to get some of the beauty in the rain around the park. So it's nothing like, you know, it's nothing to write home about necessarily, but I got some video. I want to show it to you right now. Meetup last night went well.
It was awesome.
Had about 11 people there in the rain, which you are troopers. Thank you for coming out. It was disgusting last night, but we still had a good time.
We chatted for quite a while about all different kinds of travels, and yeah, it was awesome. So thank you very much, guys, for coming out. If you're interested in a future meetup, we'll link up above and down in the description to our events page, and it lists all the meetups we have upcoming.
Kind of an errands day today, so I'm gonna take the propane out. We're gonna go to the gym, get some propane, go to Walmart, do those things, then come back. We're leaving in a couple days.
Yes.
So let me show you how easy it is to take the propane tanks out of our little Airstream here.
Move the bikes.
Unlatches from the back, swing the top up, this twists up, the whole thing lifts up.
And there's our tanks.
These are two 40-pound tanks, by the way.
We love that. We love how big
Yes.
the tanks are.
And they both have little sensors. Just unplug the sensor so the reader inside no longer has anything for this guy. Slowly unscrew. There we go. Pop this little guy up a little bit. This thing swings right out.
And there you go.
And there we go.
They are heavy when they're full. Obviously, we need to get propane.
And as you can see, they have little sensors on the tanks themselves. This one is below E, so this needs to be full. This one is about F, so no problem there. All right.
And this is what we do. We try, as soon as we have one that runs out and we switch to the other one, we try to make sure we fill this one up so that we never have to worry about running out of propane. Okay, away we go.
Let's do it.
Got all of our groceries. Look how nice. We have all the groceries in all the little bags. Made it so easy. And we stopped and got some propane. Finding cheap propane can be hard while you're on the road. We usually go to Costco's, but none of the Costco's in Texas that we've seen so far have propane. So we went to an Ace Hardware. Not the cheapest we've ever filled up, but at least we have propane. A little heavier on the way back.
These little grooves in this guy is where the propane tanks sit, so it holds them in place.
And now we have two mostly full propane tanks.
There we go.
Look how nice. Time to put the groceries away, eat some lunch, chill out for a while, and then we're going out tonight for my birthday. So that should be fun. And it looks like it may actually not rain today.
Imagine that.
Fingers crossed. So I think that is it for now. Even the salads look amazing.
Yep.
Yummy.
Your birthday meal.
Delicious. This is a fun place. It's they have a few of them around the country, but all farm to table, make their own juices, make their own breads. Loved it.
Tomorrow we're going to a Houston rodeo. It's supposed to be like a concert with some horses.
Except we're not doing any of that. We're actually just going to the livestock show and maybe eating some of the food in the morning before it gets too crowded, because we're not really into crowds.
Well, you just got the straight scoop from somebody who knows what we're doing, so.
It'll still be fun and we'll still take you along, but
That's
that
right.
will be the next video.
See you next time.
Bye guys.